Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change date and time in Windows 11. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, click on this window icon and here search for settings and click on setting app. And after that, in the left menu you can see time and language. So click on it. And here you can see date and time, so click on date and time. And here you can see set time automatically, but if I want to change the time and date manually, then I will turn it off. And here you can see set date and time manually and click on change. You can see my time is 2:07 p.m. and my date is 5/9/2024, but I want to change this, so I will click on this. I will change the month, and from here I will change the date, and from here I will change the year and click on apply. And you can see our date has been changed successfully. But if I want to change the time, then again click on change. And here you can select any time, and from here you can select AM or PM and then click on change, and you can see our time also has been changed. So guys, in this way you can change date and time in your Windows 11 very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.